Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use the Uniswap platform. So first of all, before we get to any of these platforms, we need to start with what tools do we need in order to start swapping or using these platforms. So first of all, I will need you guys to download any kind of wallet that you trust. So for me, I'm using MetaMask. For those who doesn't know what is MetaMask, basically it's a crypto wallet. So you just get here to metamask.io and then you click on download from here, and then you install MetaMask for Chrome as an extension. So make sure you download the correct MetaMask. So please make sure that the users are over 10 million, and this is the correct MetaMask for you. So what you do is now add MetaMask and you will receive it in here. But next is basically creating a new account, and you will be good to go. So now what do we have to do next? Now what we are going to do is pretty simple. Go to Uniswap, and from here, guys, what you will have to do is just click on launch app from here. After that, you have to connect your wallet. So we will start with connecting our wallet. So let's get started, and then connecting our wallet, which is MetaMask. After that, you have to put your password and confirm. Right after you put your password and confirm everything, here they will show you the two kind of tokens that you will start swapping between them. So this Uniswap is using the Ethereum. You can use whatever token you want to swap from. So for example, let's say that you want to swap from Ethereum into USDT. So what we're gonna do is select here Ethereum, and here we select USDT, and here we put the amount of Ethereum that you wanted to convert it into USDT, and then we click on swap. And right after that, they will cut some fees from your wallet, and then your Ethereum will be swapped into USDT. So that's how you can actually use the Uniswap platform. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.